Hi, I'm Dr. David here at Magnolia Skin Center. So today I'm answering some questions that staff have put together about specific products and services that we have. The subject we're talking about today is RIVE Scalp Serum Infusion. What is Derive talking about? Derive is a plant-based exosome and stem cell preparation that's designed with the signals to regrow your hair. Okay, um, the the Derive is referring to. There's two ways. There's a very powerful Derive that we actually infuse into your scalp with a painless ultrasound system in the office, and then you also put another formulation of Derive on your scalp every day at home to regrow your hair. This is, and you need to combine them both. This is really talking about the one that you take home today. So, what is this organic hormone free serum and how does it grow thicker hair without scary side effects? So, the exosomes are like a little package that comes from stem cells that goes into your own cells and tells your DNA what signals to turn on or what to do. Um, so the exosomes. It turns out that plants have universal signaling factors, which means they have the same signals that we do, which means that you can tell plants which signals you want turned on to turn on human functions. So this is a plant-based derived serum that has the right signals to tell your hair follicles to start growing hair again. Okay. Um, can a derived scalp infusion successfully rescue my hair from sudden thinning caused by illness, aging, or stress? Yes. It doesn't matter what the reason for your hair loss is. This will work. It will turn back on the signal to regrow your hair. Are there any weird side effects, oily buildup, or hair shedding phases when starting this exosome serum? No, definitely not. First of all, there are no weird side effects. You're not going to feel itching or burning or dandruff or anything like that. You also will not lose any hair or shed any hair first before new hair starts regrowing. The hair follicles and the hair just at its base just starts turning healthier. So, like if you have thin hair, the end of the hair will still be thin, but as the new hair grows out, it will be thick. It's just like if you watch your fingernails grow out, you'll just see the new nail coming in, but the old nail will still be attached to the end of that nail. Um, how does getting this infused deep in the clinic work better than just applying a hair growth oil at home? Okay, so the when we apply it in the clinic, we have a suction technique to prepare the scalp, and then we have which feels good. It's like a spa treatment. Then we have an ultrasound device that painlessly, as a matter of fact, it feels like a warm massage treatment, pushes the very powerful exosome derived into the scalp at a 4 millimeter level where the hair follicles exist to really ramp up your treatment. So when you combine that sort of nuclear treatment that we do in the spa here with the home treatment, then together the two synergistically make you grow hair at a much faster rate. Is the derived serum completely safe for color treated hair and will it ruin my normal hair texture? It's absolutely completely safe for color treated hair. As a matter of fact, if you have color treated hair, you really want to do this because you need your hair to be healthier to stand up to the color treatment so that it can tolerate your color treatment better without causing you to lose hair. Um, and it also, the other part of the question was, will it ruin my normal hair texture? Absolutely not. It's going to improve your normal hair texture. How many months of serum infusions does it take to see actual new baby hair sprouting along my hairline? At 30 days, you will see new baby hair starting to come in and new growth coming in that you will be able to see at 30 days. Do I have to keep getting the scalp infusions forever, or are the thicker hair growth results permanent? Well, I bet you can guess the answer to this. Nothing is permanent, right? So if we get you, let's say we do a year of this work, and you have really thick, much more thick, luxurious hair. If you stop doing the treatments, then if the reasons why you got the thin hair are still present, like you haven't done anything about the stress in your life, or you haven't done anything about whatever the factors are, then slowly over time you're going to start to go back to that same type of problem that you had. But if you have been able to correct whatever it is, you may be able to have a more permanent result. But if you If you still have some of these elements in your life that are giving you the hair thinning, then of course we're going to recommend that you continue the treatment so that you will permanently have the thicker hair. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit about what we're doing with this plant-based exosome system to regrow your hair at Magnolia Skin Center. I'm Dr. David.